Zuki the zebra with stripes so bright, telling us stories from morning to night. She's got a tale for every day and teaches us English in her own fun way. Clap your hands.
Hello, little friends. Today we're flying to the savannas of South Africa for a story full of animals, adventure, and a little lesson about being humble. Long ago, when the world was still young, all the animals lived together in peace. They would meet once a week under the big baobab tree to talk, share news, and sometimes to brag. Warthog was the proudest of them all. "Look at me," he snorted. "My tusks are the sharpest. I'm the fastest. I'm the most important animal here." Lion, the leader of the animals, warned kindly, "Warthog, pride can make you fall. Be careful." But Warthog just laughed and flipped his ears. One day, a mighty storm rolled over the hills. Thunder roared and the rain poured down hard. All the animals ran to hide in their dens and burrows. Elephant helped the smaller animals. Zebra shared her shelter. But Warthog? He shouted, "I don't need help. I'm strong and brave." But the wind had other plans. Whoosh! It lifted Warthog and spun him around like a leaf. He landed head first in a muddy puddle. Warthog was embarrassed. His tusks were bent, his pride was gone, and no one had seen him help anyone during the storm. The next day, Warthog came to the baobab tree. Not proudly, but on his knees. He said, "I'm sorry, I should have listened. I want to be part of the herd again." Lion smiled. "We all make mistakes, Warthog. What matters is that we learn from them." The animals forgave him, and Warthog learned to be humble. And ever since that day, warthogs walk on their knees as a reminder, not to boast, but to stay grounded, literally and in heart. And that's the story of why the warthog goes about on his knees. What do you think? Would you have helped others during the storm? Word of the story: humble. It means not thinking you're better than everyone else. Next time, we'll travel to a new country for a brand new story. See you soon!
Clap your hands, let's all run. Learning with Zuki is fun, fun, fun. Say the words one by one. Learning with Zuki is fun.